First, remove the water pipe. The water pipe doesn't differentiate between the inlet and the outlet. The other end is connected to the laser's water outlet and inlet. Fill with pure water from the water inlet. Fill it to the green safety area. Fill it to the green safety area. It is recommended to replace it once a month. Take out the power cord with the power tank. Insert the water tank connector. Insert the other end into our socket. Take out the main unit power cord. Connect and lock it. Just tighten it. Insert the other end into our socket. Connect the phase wires. Insert them into the corresponding holes respectively. Take out the fill light accessories. Install it next to the camera. Fix our fill light bracket to the pillar of the camera. The white tape is in a horizontal position. Fix the screws on both sides and lock them. Keep it vertical. The distance between the field heads and the conveyor belt is 306 millimeters. Connect the power cord to the fill head. Just plug the two connectors together. After the installation is finished, we need to turn on the chiller first. This is the button for the chiller. The temperature keeps rising at first. The machine can only work when the temperature reaches above 20 degrees. Turn on the leakage protector first. Emergency stop specification. Turn on the computer and laser power supply in order. Click the computer shutdown program. Shutdown. Shutdown the nerve bell, laser, then circuit breaker. Turn off the water tank power.